Hello everyone. We are going to now look at the Ascendity Women's University Knowledge Resource Center details. First, you have to go on the Ascendity University website. The address is ascendity.ac.in. Then you arrive at the screen. When you move down, you will see a link to the Knowledge Resource Center, BMK Knowledge Resource Center. Click on that and you will arrive on the details of the Knowledge Resource Center, wherein you will find the vision of the Knowledge Resource Center, the mission of the Knowledge Resource Center, and the goals and the objectives of the Knowledge Resource Center. Further, you can search for the catalog of the Knowledge Resource Center. As you all know, that SNDT Women's University has 3 campuses at Churchgate, Juhu and Pune. The links to the catalog of all the 3 are available here. When you click on any one of the catalog link, it will start downloading over here. As it arrives over here, you can see that there are various options like a basic search, advanced search, and many more options. With this, you can start preparing or searching for the items that you're looking for in the Knowledge Resource Center. Through the advanced search, you can use the Boolean operators, you can use the different items that are available in the library, make a search and find your own item. Similarly, you can see what are the new arrivals that have come up in the library by clicking on the link of arrivals. There are items for browsing different reference material. There is a list of journals over here and so on. Similarly, when you go back to the site, you will want to know about the collection of the Knowledge Resource Center. It will talk about the collection that is available at all the 3 university campuses, about the books, about the journals, the dissertations, and so on. Now let's see what are the electronic resources that are available in the library. There are number of resources that are based on IP, which will be accessible only from the university campuses. The description with the name of the database along with the link is available over here. If you're there on the campus and click on it, you will directly get onto that link. There are few of the databases which we have subscribed and are based on ID and password, user ID and password. So in that, you will have to contact the library for the further details to access this databases. Besides this, the facilities that the university provide is over here. Again, it is for all the 3 campuses. There is a reading room facilities, there is a facility of interlibrary loan, photocopy, there is a reference service which we work on a larger scale, the electronic services that the university library offers, and so on and so forth. We have an access to the Nimbus online resource, which is basically the federated search that we have along with the open access and the subscribed resources of the university. You will have to sign in. For the further details, you can contact the library for understanding how to get your username and password. In this, you can get access to all the resources at one point of contact. Next, let us see what are the theses and dissertations that we have along with that are available on the Shodh Ganga website. We have the theses and dissertations of the university available on it. We also have given a link to the National Digital Library of India, wherein a username and password for each one of you is created. You can also do it on your own self. We have a link to the consultancy services and the projects that we offer at the university, which is about developing different libraries at different locations, including the Hopkins Library of an Architect, about the indexing project, about the prison library, and so on. There is a children's library at our Juhu campus, which is catering to kids. We have a huge collection. There are summer activities going on here, and so on and so forth. Anyone can avail the facility over here. We have given links to important facilities. We also have FAQs here and the details to contact us. So if you have any anything further to know beyond the website that we have shown recently, you can anytime get in touch with us and let us know about your queries. Thank you very much.